Milton Zeutschel, 2015 Entrepreneurial Excellence, Diamond Award winner.
He's been successful multiple times in totally different businesses. And that comes out of his natural curiosity and desire to solve a different problem next time.
Whatever was worth doing, it was worth doing right. And so consequently, everything that we developed under his leadership had a high bar.
A person with brains, timing, and fortitude. He just doesn't give up.
He clearly likes a challenge.
Though he's never called himself an entrepreneur, Milt is the founder of 3 successful companies, Zetec, Data.io, and Zetron. Each company developed from Milt's ability to recognize a need in the marketplace and to design an engineering solution to fill it.
Milt has used the experience he's gained from every situation he's been involved in to make the next one better.
The unique thing about Milt is he's done it numerous times, and more difficult than that is he's done it in totally different business areas with different customers.
Milt's first company, Zetec, was formed to develop non-destructive testing equipment and provide testing services to the nuclear power industry.
His approach is one of finding a problem and solving it rather than just trying to come up with a problem to solve. He'd been working in the nuclear field and as a result of that developed some technologies for non-destructive testing, and Zetec came out of that work.
His second company, Data.io, became the industry leader in programmable read-only memory. Today, nearly every programmable memory device uses Data.io equipment.
Milt was one of the first people to realize the impact that programmable devices would have on the computer and microprocessor-based product industry. And his work at that time was in computer-based keyboards for photo typesetting. And so Data.io, one of the companies he founded, came out of the need for a programming device for programmable memories.
The marketplace began to realize the impact of fundamentally having a small little microcomputer embedded inside something as small as, for example, a taximeter. To reprogram it instead of 6 hours took probably 5 to 10 minutes of just changing a software program. The impact of programmable memory on the world's marketplace is almost unmeasurable.
His most recent company, Zetron, provides advanced and highly reliable radio and telephone communications infrastructure. It's used in 911 emergency systems and other transportation and command centers worldwide.
Zetron was engineering focused. We weren't there just to create something cool. It was there to solve a problem. Milt certainly drove us in that direction, knowing that you're helping to save lives. And our nation's first responders rely on that for their safety. He had a passion, I think, for making sure that we as engineers understood the user's situation. He really encouraged us to pay attention to their needs.
One of the things that Milt has often said to me is that nothing happens till somebody sells something. And so part of his philosophy is not engineering for its own sake, but engineering to meet a need and solve a problem.
The contributions that he's made in the companies that he has founded and been involved with affect today uncounted millions of people who benefit from those innovative products that he has brought to the marketplace.